Hi everyone, we're going to make these hanging Christmas trees. So let's get started. So take these orange paper and draw the shape of the Christmas tree on the top of it. Cut all the strips like this and paste them together using double-sided tape. Fold it like this. Now we're going to combine all the folded tree portions one after another like this. And look, it's done. Finally, we're going to hang it like this. So paste this thread using glue and look, your colorful Christmas trees are ready. Hang them at your home. Look at these Santa Claus. Let's make it. So make a cone using red craft paper. Similar way, we're going to cut the mustache of the Santa Claus using white craft paper. Cut it and put it inside the cone like this. Paste the eyes and paste a star as well. Similar way, we're going to add these droplets and pom-pom ball on the top of it, and look, your hanging is ready. Let's make snowflake at home. For that, we are going to cut this blue craft paper, make multiple cut on it. Now we are going to fold it like this and bend all the strips. We are going to bend the alternate strip, flip it and bend the strips from this side as well. Now we are going to make 6 such shapes and combine all of them together. Hold it at the center and look, your snowflake design is ready. Look at these hanging snowmen. Let's make them. We're going to stuff the tissue paper inside the cup like this. Now we're going to tie knot using pipe cleaners. We're using colorful pipe cleaners. We're also making the headphones for more decoration. Put it on the top of the cup. Draw the eyes of the snowman and add sticks as the hand. And look, your hanging snowmen are ready. You can place it at your home. We are going to make eco-friendly Christmas tree. So take these green craft paper, make a cone. Now we are going to make multiple cut on different shades of green paper and paste all of them on the cone. Now we are also making this brown stick. So put it inside the cone. We are adding clay balls on the top of it, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. We're going to make this cute little snowman using paper. So draw the eyes of the snowman on this white craft paper, make multiple cut. Now we are going to fold all of them. We are tying a knot at the center using this paper. Similar way, add more decoration like this. Now we are adding the hands as well. Put it through the cuts and look here, very beautiful snowman is ready. You can also put light inside it. Look at these different patterns of snowflake design. Let's make it. Take colorful craft paper and draw different designs like this on the top of it. Cut all of them, open it, and you will get these beautiful design at the end. Let's make a beautiful artwork. We are going to make colorful gloves and cap. So crumple all these paper and paste it on the top of the shape of the glove and cap like this. Add more details like this, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. We're going to make this crown at home. Let's make it. So we're going to fold this yellow craft paper in a triangular shape. Again, fold it like this. Now we're going to make more such triangular shapes and tuck all of them together like this. Combine it like we're doing here. Add bow, and look, your beautiful crown is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.